Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to program the SmartCode 10 door lock in 2026. So in order to basically program it, before even programming it, you need to complete the handling process. So in order to do it, first of all, you just have to simply open the back cover of it, and you are going to see the batteries inside it. So you need to remove the batteries and then simply press the program button. Now, after pressing the program button, you just have to press the 0 button, then press this lock button. So this way, the deadbolt is going to extend and retract automatically in order to learn the correct door direction. Now, in order to add a user code, you need to simply go back and you need to simply press the power button once. After doing so, you need to press 1. Then you need to press the lock button, and now you need to start entering your 4 to 8 digit user code in it. Now when you are done adding your code, in order to save it, simply press this lock button again. If it is successful, this lock button will turn green, or you should also hear a beep, and when it does, it simply means that you have successfully added the user code over here. Now in order to change the programming code, you need to press the power button. Afterwards, you need to press 3, then press the lock button over here, and then you need to simply enter the programming code. When you are done adding the programming code, simply press the lock button again in order to save it, and this code is used for the future lock programming and settings changes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.